Welcome back to Clash of Compare. Today, we have an epic showdown between two cutting-edge cleaning titans. In the blue corner, we have the iRobot Braava Jet M6 robot mop, and in the red corner, the Ecovacs Deebot Ozmo T8 AIVI robot vacuum and mop. Let the battle begin. First up, design and build. The Braava Jet M6 is sleek and perfect for tight spots with its precision jet spray. The Deebot Ozmo T8 AIVI combines vacuuming and mopping with AI technology for obstacle avoidance. Links to both are in the description below. Next, cleaning performance. The Braava Jet M6 uses precision jets to tackle sticky messes, while the Deebot T8 AIVI offers powerful suction and a vibrating mop head. Which one impresses you more? Check the description for links. Now, smart features. The Braava Jet M6 syncs with the iRobot Home app and voice assistants. The Deebot T8 AIVI boasts AI for object recognition and extensive customization through its app. Find both links in the description below. Finally, battery life. Both robots have long-lasting batteries and auto dock for recharging. Who takes the crown here? Links are in the description. There you have it, an epic showdown between the iRobot Braava Jet M6 and the Ecovacs Deebot Ozmo T8 AIVI. Which will you choose? Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more epic battles. This is Clash of Compare, signing off.